In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under synthetic polymers. So guys, we have 13 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, a plastic which cannot be softened by heat is described as, we have thermoplastic, we have malleable, thermosetting, non-biodegradable. So the right answer is option C, which is thermosetting. Very important. The next repeated question with this one, it says, use the following information to answer this question. Compound X was boiled with concentrated hydrochloric acid for a long time. One of the products was found to be a sugar. What type of reaction was involved between compound X and concentrated hydrochloric acid? So the right answer would be option C, which is hydrolysis. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next subject question will be this one. It says, what is the monomer unit of the polymer represented below? So since we are having 3 carbon atoms in this structure and we have a single bond involved, so this shows us that the answer would be option D, which is propane. Alright, so that's it for this question. The next subject question will be this one. It says, which of the following polymers contain nitrogen? We have polyethylene, we have cellulose, we have nylon, we have polyvinyl chloride. So the right answer is option D, nylon. So nylon is a polymer that contains nitrogen. The next subject question will be this one. It says, which of the following raw materials is used in the plastic industry? So guys, the right answer is option B, 18. Very important. Take note of this particular question. The next subject question will be this one. It says, use this following information to answer this question. Compound X was boiled with concentrated hydrochloric acid for a long time. One of the products was found to be a sugar. Compound X was probably, so this would be a cellulose, option C. That's for this question. The next subject question will be this one. So in this question, in this cellulose, when it gets hydrolyzed, you are going to have sugar as one of the products. So the next subject question will be here. This one, it says, the following substances are examples of addition polymer except. So nylon is the right answer. So nylon is an example of a condensation polymer, not an addition polymer. Alright, so the next subject question will be this one. It says, in which of the following processes are larger molecules broken down into smaller molecules? So we have polymerization, hydrogenation of palm oil, vulcanization of rubber, hydrolysis of starch. The right answer is option D, which is hydrolysis of starch. Very important. The next subject question will be this one. It says 18 molecules can be added to one another to form a long chain compound called a polymer. Yeah, option A is the right answer. The next subject question will be this one. It says, which of the following statements about thermoplastic materials is correct? Soften and melt on heating, do not melt on heating, decompose on heating, harden on heating. So the right answer is option A. So thermoplastic materials, they soften and melt on heating. Next question will be this one. It says, the following compounds are condensation polymers except. So we have starch, we have protein, we have polyethylene, we have nylon. So the exception here is option C, which is polyethylene. Alright, the next question will be this one. Guys, take note of this particular question we just answered. So the next question is this one. It says, which of the following polymers is thermosetting? So we have bakelite, polystyrene, nylon, we have polypropylene. So the right answer is option A, which is bakelite. Okay, so that is for this question. The last question we have is this one. It says, which of the following statements about soapless detergent is correct? They increase the surface tension of water, form a cloudy precipitate with soft water, they lather readily with hard water, they cause hydrolysis of salts in water. The right answer is option C, which is they lather readily with hard water. So that's the right answer. This basically can do problems involving synthetic polymers for your chemistry practice with 13 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call the video here, guys. If you are new to this channel Ensure that you're subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel or what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I have talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I will surely give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You'll be getting premium information to help you to sense the exam writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.